Sabi ni Senator Marcoleta kahapon, ligtas ka na. Hindi po ito totoo. Si Senator Jinggoy Ejercito Estrada, Senator Joel Villanueva, Yusek Robert Bernardo, at D. Alcantara. Si Senator Jinggoy po ay nagbaba ng 355 million ngayong 2025 sa mga ilang projects sa Bulacan.
Yes, we will examine all the allegations that have been made. Ang lumalabas talaga dito, mula nung nasimulaan itong investigasyon at lahat niyan, ay matagal na talaga. Kaya ang lalim na, kumbaga sa amag, at napakalalim na sa sistema. The system of this kind of corruption has been institutionalized.
Wala po ako ng mga involved dito kung kanino po na po. Siyempre, natatakot din po ako sa buhay, sa pamilya ko. Kasi hindi naman po birong tao itong mga involved dito eh.
As I've said, Engineer Bryce, you will be protected by this committee as long as you will say the truth.
Pwede po bang wag nyo na ako ibalik sa Senate, Your Honor? Kasi may mga involved pong senador dito. At hindi ko po alam ang magiging kapalaran ko pag binalik niyo ako doon.
Magsalita ka muna. And this committee will assure you that you will be protected.
Your Honor, parang mas kailangan ko po muna ng assure niyo bago ako magsalita.
Can I have a 1-minute recess, Mr. Chair?
Meeting
a certain amount from Sally Santos. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
At binibigay niya ito sa iyo sa inyong opisina. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
In fact, there's one incident that was mentioned by Sally Santos in the Senate na 245 million yung isang natatandaan niya na ibigay niya sa iyo. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Itong 245, just a portion of that, because according to you, from 2022 up to 2025, your estimate is that it's over $1 billion na yung natanggap mo. Tama po ba?
Approximately.
Okay, sige. So binibigay mo to kay Engineer Alcantara, tama po?
Hindi ko po binibigay, kinukuha.
Kinukuha, sorry. Kinukuha ni Alcantara. Nakabox nga po, sabi niyo nga po, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, pag sinabi mong may involved, ibig sabihin logic would dictate and you don't need to be a rocket scientist para to assume that yung binibigay ay may hati-hati. Tama po ba? May breakdown.
Yes po, Your Honor. Sinasabi niya po, kinukuha na yung commitment.
Commitment na ano ibig sabihin commitment? Yung kaninong hatian yon?
Kung ako po kay Senator.
Okay. May we know sino yung mga sinasabi mong mga kumukuha or may commitment sa mga senador? Kasi you mentioned this earlier before we grant you the request of having a recess suspended. May we know who are these sinasabi mong may mga involved na mga senador?
Okay lang po bang basahin ko, Your Honor, kung ano lang po yung naisulat ko. Pero pinapangako ko naman po sa inyo na ang full details ito maibibigay ko po sa written statement namin ng mga abogado ko.
Mr. Chair, our guest is requesting that he be allowed to read. Ito ba yung salaysay mo na pinirmahan mo? Tama po ba? Ito ba yung tinatanong sa iyo kanina ni Congressman Garbin?
Yes po, sinulat po at pinirmahan ko rin po.
Okay. Mr. Chair, may we request that he be allowed to read his salaysay, his statement, which is signed.
Engineer Hernandez, please proceed.
Thank you.
Good morning, Your Honor, Mr. Chair. Ako po si Bryce Erickson Hernandez, dating Assistant District Engineer ng Bulacan 1st District Engineering Office. Ako po ay na-contempt kahapon sa Senate Blue Ribbon Committee. Habang ako po ay nakadetain, nakapag-isip po ako at nagdesisyon na maglabas ng ilang nalalaman ko sa flood control project base po sa aking natatandaan sa ngayon. Tama po si Senator Lacson na ang mga engineers ng DPWH ay tila naging legman o bagman na lang. Kung tatanungin niyo po ako kung sino o kanino kami naging bagman, sasagutin ko na po ngayon. Sabi ni Senator Marcoleta kahapon, ligtas ka na. Hindi po ito totoo. Si Senator Jinggoy Ejercito Estrada, Senator Joel Villanueva, Yusek Robert Bernardo, at D. Alcantara. Si Senator Jinggoy po ay nagbaba ng 355 million ngayong 2025 sa mga ilang projects sa Bulacan. At ang sabi po ng boss ko dito ay 30% ang commitment dito. Ang mga projects po na to ay construction of flood mitigating structure with pumping station and floodgate phase 3 sa Hagonoy, Bulacan. Flood control mitigating structure with pumping station and floodgate sa Malolos, Bulacan. Hindi ko na po babasahin lahat to. Isasama ko po to sa aking written statement.
No, mahalaga pong basahin yung buong listahan ng mga proyekto.
Sige po,
These are
Your
the line items that everyone has been talking about, so I think the nation deserves to know which particular line items that are in the GAA that are being implemented for these particular personalities.
Mr. Chair, may I also request that he be directed to read the entirety of his salaysay?
Yes.
And not to select portion of his salaysay. Para
Yes,
po
he will. I think he will be required to read the entire, but we need the specific line item in the General Appropriations Act to be able to tie these particular projects to political personalities, not just DPWH engineers, not just contractors. Please proceed.
Mr. Chair, may I also ask that the amounts also be read?
Yes,
I think
if it-
it's important that the public will also know the
Yes,
amounts.
if it is available, Engineer Hernandez, please mention the amount as well.
Mr. Chair, saglit na interjection lang. After the statement of Sir Bryce, may we have the copy of his statement para po makapagtanong din yung mga members based on his ongoing statement, Mr. Chair. Maraming salamat po.
If that is practicable, Deputy Speaker, we will ask him to do it, but it is a written, handwritten statement. So I think we have to listen to his entire salaysay first. Please proceed with the line items, please.
Let me repeat it, Your Honor. First, construction of flood mitigating structure with pumping station and floodgate, phase 3, Barangay Mercado, Hagonoy, Bulacan, with an allocation of 60 million pesos. Number 2, construction of flood mitigating structure with pumping station and floodgate at Mambog Creek, phase 3, Malolo City, Bulacan, with an amount of 45 million pesos. Construction of flood mitigating structure with pumping station and floodgate, phase 3, Barangay Iba, Hagonoy, Bulacan, amounting to 60 million pesos. Construction of flood mitigating structure with pumping station at Calero Creek, phase 3, Malolo City, Bulacan, with an amount of 50 million pesos. Construction of flood control structure including pumping station and floodgate, phase 3, Barangay Mayto, Kalumpit, Bulacan, with an amount of 60 million pesos. Construction of flood mitigation structure with pumping station and floodgate at Barangay Santo Rosario Creek, phase 3, Malolo City, Bulacan, with an amount of 40 million pesos. And last, construction of flood mitigation structure including pumping station and floodgate, phase 3, Barangay Carillo, Hagonoy, Bulacan, with an amount of 40 million pesos. And all of that with a total of 355 million pesos, Your Honor.
This is supposedly the allocation of which political personality?
Senator Jinggoy Ejercito Estrada po, Your Honor.
Thank you for the clarification. You can proceed with reading the handwritten statement.
Mr. Chair, may I continue?
Let him finish the handwritten statement. Pakitapos lang po yung handwritten statement ng pagbasa.
Nagbaba po si Senator Jinggoy at ang kanyang SOP dito ay 30%. as per our District Engineer Henry Alcantara. I-deliver ito nung lumabas ang mga item na to sa GAA. Mga driver namin sa DPWH Bulacan First ang nag-deliver sa kausap nila. Si Christian Santiago at si Andre Balatbat. Galing din ito sa utos ni D. Alcantara. Noong 2023 naman, ay naglabas ng 600 million si Senator Joel Villanueva at ang SOP nito ay 30% din. If I'm not mistaken, sorry. Pwede kong sabihin ko po kung anong mga projects to, mga line item din.
Please proceed with disclosing the line items so the nation may able to tie the line item to the political personality involved.
First, rehabilitation of flood control structure along Balagtas River, Barangay Panginay, Tuwawa, Phase 3, Balagtas, Bulacan, with an amount of 75 million pesos. Construction of Bukawe River Flood Mitigation Structure, Station 12, plus 589 to Station 12, plus 739, at Barangay Bambang, Bukawe, Bulacan, with an amount of 75 million pesos. Construction of Bukawe River Flood Mitigation Structure at Station 4, plus 204 to Station 4, plus 354, at Barangay Turo, Bukawe, Bulacan, with an amount of 75 million pesos. Construction of Bukawe River Flood Mitigation Structure at Station 3, plus 036 to Station 3, plus 236, at Barangay Kaingin, Bukawe, Bulacan. Construction, this also has an amount of 75 million pesos. Number 5, construction of Bukawe River Flood Mitigation Structure at Station 5, plus 466 to Station 5, plus 667, at Barangay Bulacan, with also an amount of 75 million pesos. Construction of Balagtas River Flood Mitigation Structure at Station 3, plus 533 to 183, at Barangay Santol, Balagtas, Bulacan, with an amount of 75 million pesos also. Construction of Balagtas River Flood Mitigation Structure at Station 7, plus 654 to Station 7, plus 804, at Barangay Dalig, Balagtas, Bulacan. Mitigation structure at Station 14 plus 124 to Station 14 to 200 plus 274 at Barangay of 600 million pesos.
Can you state again for the record the total amount and that this is the projects for which particular political personality?
600 million pesos last 2023 from Senator Joel Villanueva.
Thank you. Please proceed with your handwritten statement.
At ang SOP nito ay 30% din. Binigay din ito nung lumabas sa GAA at i-deliver sa bahay niya sa Bukawe ni D. Alcantara at dating hepe ng aming construction si Engineer JP Mendoza. Si D. Alcantara namin ang masasabing chief implementor. Siya po ang kumakausap sa lahat ng politiko na involved dito. At least 3% po siya sa lahat ng projects na dumadaan sa opisina namin. At pinapasabi pa nga sa amin sa mga kontraktor na kung gusto nyong magkaroon ng maraming project sa susunod, ay magbigay kayo ng additional na 2% sa kanya. Parang finder's fee daw. Si D.E. Henry Alcantara po ang usually nagde-deliver sa mga politiko at kay Yusek Robert Bernardo po. Pasensya na po, ito pa lang po ang aking mga masasabi sa ngayon. Mabigyan lang po ako ng sapat na oras pagkakataon na makausap ang aking mga abogado. Handa na po akong maglabas ng lahat ng nalalaman ko pa. Maraming salamat po.
Mr. Chair.